So welcome to Pilot Knoll campground in Highland Village, Texas. A quick video to show you my makeshift way to add a TV to the outside of a Winnebago View. This is our 2024 Winnebago View 24D, and you'll notice that there is no outside TV. So I decided that I wanted to add one with the easiest steps and least amount of money. So I came up with this solution right here, and I'm going to show you the parts. So I've got a sea sucker. I believe this is a 4-inch sea sucker, and with a I can't remember what this, it's not flat, it's a pointed tip. And then this other piece right here is a 2-in-1 dog collar, and you'll see why this works. So 2-in-1 dog collar, and with hooks on the end of it. And then here's the TV, which is a 32-inch Philips Roku TV. It's pretty basic as you can get, but I've screwed in a couple of mounts to right here, and you can see the holes. That's where the latches. So how do we get it connected? Well, very simple. You take the sea sucker, and that's Stella right there. Say hi, Stella. She loves camping. But you get a little water, you kind of put on the back side of the sea sucker, and you simply just put it where you want to hang it, and then you start pushing the button. Start pumping it in, and as soon as that orange disappears, it's sucked. It's in there. It's not going anywhere. So now we have our mount, and I think this sea sucker can hold like, I think it said like 75 pounds, if not more. This TV weighs less than 10 pounds. So there's absolutely no way that this TV is going to fall off this mount. All right, so now we get the TV, and this may be a little bit difficult as far as getting this connected. So I'm gonna put the camera right here, aim it up here. Hopefully you can see that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So simply just attach it to that hole and to that hole. And I don't know if you noticed, but I had some little rubber pads, so when it hits against the side of the motorhome, it doesn't do any damage. But you can see here, there's how it's basically connected to the mount. And now we simply just plug it in. I got a power spot right here under this panel, and Stella smells something. So that's it. It's that simple. Problem is, it's not a very bright TV, and it shows a lot of reflection. At night it's perfect, but during the day, if the sun is out, you will see some reflection. You won't see the screen that bright, so that's the only downside. However, I think I'm going to upgrade this to a larger TV that has a matte screen, here, and it's much brighter. So I think I can go up to 42, maybe more. We'll see. Like I said, this mount, I think it's geared to hold like 75 pounds, if not more, that sea sucker little mount. But yeah, I was doing my research online, and I couldn't find a solution, so I came up with my own solution, and I think it works great. So we had some high wind the other night. It hardly moved at all. It barely moved, and it can be adjusted as far as being level. But yeah, this is it. If you have any questions, just ask me down in the comments below, and go get you one set up. And this can go basically on any hard surface. I had it on the windshield at one point in time, so you can mount it on the windshield, the side of your motorhome. So this will work on motorhome, RV, heck, side of a car, I guess, if you want an outside TV. So anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stella, can you say bye? Can you say bye? All right. See you later. Bye, Stella.